This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry naranga using an easy method. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You will need 2 large oranges, 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, and some basic spices. Next, carefully peel and segment your oranges, making sure to remove any seeds or bitter white pith. Finally, finely chop your onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. This preparation is key for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the flavor base for our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your finely chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. Sauté these aromatics until they become beautifully golden brown and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Cook for about 30 seconds until the spices are aromatic, being careful not to burn them. It's time to bring our curry together. Pour in 1 cup of rich, thick coconut milk and half a cup of water, stirring well to combine with the spice mixture. Next, gently add your prepared orange segments and the 2 slit green chilies to the pan. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer over low to medium heat. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to slightly thicken. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. To finish, season your curry naranga with salt to taste and a small squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Give it a final gentle stir. Garnish with fresh curry leaves or a sprinkle of chopped cilantro just before serving. This delightful curry pairs wonderfully with steamed rice or warm flatbread. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals. Enjoy this easy and flavorful dish, perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.